going off sideways. So that's a good one. Yeah, that's a bigger one. It might not be, it might just be feistier. Feels weighty though. See ya. Ah, my rudder's not down. Yeah, he's a big one. Yeah. I got the drag on pretty hard and he's pulling it. And me. I hope it's the meter rig I'm looking for. Jesus. Don't go near the side, you arsehole. Don't. Well, he doesn't look that big. He doesn't look that big. Doesn't look much bigger than yours. He's certainly got a bit more fight to him there. It's a bit hard to tell until you get him right up close though. Don't go to the side, you bastard! Get out of it! Come on, come back out in the middle. That's better. Yeah, go that way. Yeah, now we're talking. This is what a mulloway fight's about. No, not under me, not under me. Yeah, go that way, that's a good way. Good direction. Got a better pull. I'm coming back. No, stay away from the side. Oh, okay, here he is. Oh god. No, don't go near there. Don't be stupid. He looks little. I think he's foul hooked, I think that's half the problem. No, he's only like 60 centimetres. If that. Alright, relax. Isn't it? He's heavy. He's not that big though.